Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to make a really quick video to show you guys an easy way to find your coolant leaks. Now, this is my Cadillac DTS, and what I did was I just added some dye into the coolant, and I quickly found my coolant leak. So what you would do is just add the dye into your coolant, and then you would use a UV flashlight like this, and you would be able to see where your coolant leak is. Now, I do not run DexCool coolant in my Cadillac DTS, so you would have to use a specific dye for DexCool, and I'll leave a couple links in the description to both of the dyes. So if you run DexCool, you would use that certain specific dye. So let's get to it and show you where I found this coolant leak at. I'm going to turn the light off on my headlamp just to show you guys the UV flashlight. And it is coming from this purge line right here, this connection right here. You see the glowing, let's see if I can focus it. It's hard to focus it. There we go. You see the glowing stuff right there? So that's an indication that the coolant is leaking right here. More evidence is right here on the water pump. So it is drying right here on the water pump, but the main source of the leak is right here at this purge line. So now I know where to fix the leak. Thankfully, it is not the water pump, because the water pump job on these Cadillac DTSs, they're just a pain. I did mine like a couple years ago, and I did not want to do that again. But thankfully, it's just, you know, right there at the purge line. So that's an easy fix. All right, so I hope I helped you guys out in finding your coolant leaks, and you have a good day.